All right, good morning. My name is Katie Dito and I'm a forecaster here at the Weather Service. We will get started with our weekly impact briefing, and this is covering the period from today through Sunday, which is June 13th through the 19th. So this is just looking at some surface maps for what we can expect throughout the next week. Today, if you've been outside already today, it's much cooler from what we had over the weekend. We had a backdoor cold front come through last night, and you can see in the upper left-hand image there, you can see the front that is well to our south. So today is going to be a dry day and much cooler than yesterday, so highs only in the 80s today. Tomorrow, that front, if you go ahead and move to the slide on the upper right, that front is going to shift back to our north, and that's going to allow the heat and moisture to increase over our area once again, and we're going to be looking at temperatures in the 90s, and as you can tell by the map, rain chances will begin to increase through the middle of the week. So we can see some rain chances, especially across the west on Tuesday, but then area-wide Wednesday and into the end of the week. Late week, the bottom left slide, you can see another front is going to be coming across the area, and that right now is looking to be during the day on Friday. And for the weekend, that front that's going to move through on Friday will shift to the south of the area and hopefully set us up for a rather pleasant weekend. Here's a severe thunderstorm potential. As I just talked about, today is going to be dry, so we're not even in a general thunder outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. Tomorrow, the entire area will be in just a general thunder, so no severe weather expected, just maybe some thunderstorms across the area. Same thing on Wednesday. You can start to see across far western North Carolina some more organized convection possibly coming into the area, but across central North Carolina, just looking to be general thunderstorms, so maybe some gusty winds, and lightning would be the main threat from any storms that do develop. This is looking at the amount of precipitation we can expect. Today, nothing. Tuesday, you can see some rain chances start to creep in, mainly from the west, and then more area-wide on Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, you can see more chances for rain, and then it starts to shift to our east for the weekend as that front moves through on Friday and shifts to the east. But you can see there is still some rain chances or some precipitation amounts painted in there for Saturday and Sunday, and there is a little bit of uncertainty for the weekend in the sense that there's going to be an upper level low kind of hanging around the region. The models have had a hard time deciding what to do with this, and right now they have it away from the area, which would keep us dry for the weekend, which is what we have in the forecast right now, but previous runs did have it right over us and keeping the precipitation chances going across central North Carolina. So this will have to be watched if you're having any plans this weekend. Again, just keep an eye because the weekend forecast is a little uncertain. Here's looking ahead to next week for the 8 to 14 days. So this would be the following, not this week, but the following week. Just above normal temperatures continuing, and for precipitation chances, there's really not a signal one way or the other if we're going to be above or below normal. So it's looking like fairly typical summer-like conditions for the following week. So the highlights, we have today on Monday, one day of cooler and drier weather. Heat and moisture are going to return tomorrow, and this will lead to increasing storm chances through the end of the week. Confidence does decrease by the weekend. As of now, it appears a front will cross the area on Friday, and that would bring drier and cooler air in for the weekend, which is the current way the forecast is portrayed right now. So overall, organized hazardous weather is not expected during this week. So a fairly quiet week weather-wise, just some warm temperatures, continued warm temperatures after today, and then a cooling trend for the weekend. So that's all we have right now. If anybody has any questions, just let me know.